AWD. Don't wait another minute. In a class by itself. With our 5-day money-back guarantee, you can buy this Ford Explorer with confidence. If you decide that the vehicle you purchased is not exactly what you wanted, you can return the vehicle up to 5 days after taking delivery without penalty. This is not an exchange policy. It is a true 5-day money-back return policy. We just have a limit of 500 miles on the vehicle from delivery. Are you interested in a truly wonderful SUV? Then take a look at this terrific-looking 2013 Ford Explorer. It's ready and equipped to take on whatever the day and your family offers up, which is usually plenty.